Hello kids! Today we will learn 1 to 10 numbers and beautiful colors together. Baby pink color 1. Light green color number 2. Red color number 3. Yellow color number 4. Blue color number 5. Sky blue color number 6. Brown color number 7. Pink color number 8. Orange color number 9. Green color number 10. 1 and 0 number 10. Kids, let's learn again. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah! Kids, now we know 1 to 10 numbers. Thank you kids. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.